Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Let's Slice Data with Saurabh. So till now we have learned a lot of things in Python, MS Excel and data related topic. So today I will tell you a small thing on visualization, because whenever you create any results and you have to present it to the customer, that time visualization tools will work efficiently. Otherwise you have to show it them in the Excel or in some table that is not visually appealed basically. So you have to apply some tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Tableau is a costly version. You have to purchase it and you have to spend money on that. So instead of doing that, you can do one thing. You can go for Power BI. Power BI is a free tool. If you have genuine Windows, you can go there and automatically download that. And before that, guys, please remember just one thing, that please like, share, and subscribe my channel for the more videos, because that has every day that will give me motivation to increase the number of videos on various data science topic. So today we'll start the visualization part. So as you know, if you have a genuine window, you have to go to the Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store and open it. So it's a free tool. That's why I'm telling you, if in the Microsoft Store, you can go there and search for Power BI. So Power BI is an optional of Tableau and it is free. So I suggest you to go for this first and download it if you have any student ID and all, because it will not take your personal ID. So you have to give some student ID or some office ID as well. So you have to just click install on that and it will automatically start. See, it is not asking for anything. And if you do it from Microsoft Store, instead of going to Google, you do not have to update this particular app from time to time. Otherwise, when the new version will come, you have to go and update that. It's a Microsoft tool, Power BI desktop. It's a free one. You can create this kind of, graphs, charts out of it. They are very visually appealing, and every time customer wants them, you show it in the Excel sheet or any other tool that is not looking visually appealing. So better go for a tool like Tableau or Power BI. Tableau is a costly tool. You have to pay for per month, $70, I think. But Tableau, this Power BI, Tableau is a costly tool. You have to pay per month. But the Power BI is a free tool. So you can download that and start working on that. So I am downloading it. It's 589.9 MB. Recently, I purchased this laptop and here Windows are already there. So you can go to that Microsoft Store and it is already there. It's all free. So you can do that. And now it is installing my tool. So the product is installed and you can launch it. So let me launch that. So how it is looking like, something, it is taking some time to come up. Okay, so now my Power BI tool is launching. So it is free, number one. Number two, you can create, means like install this and start using it. It is very simple tool. I will take an entire lecture on that, how to create so many graphs out of it. Maybe I will show you one thing here, that how to create a very sample or a simple kind of graph from the sample one, and then we will see. Okay. And I don't want to do this all. I am going here and see, this tool will look like this. Okay. So something like this tool will look like. So here it is saying that untitled Power BI desktop. From here, you can import data from Excel. Here are some sample data sets. If you are really new to that, to this particular tool, try some sample data set. Let me try this and see how we can create a small graph out of it. A very small, means I'm not saying that you have to learn something, but just see how we are doing that. It's so simple, visually appealing, and the people wants it. So let me select this particular thing here and I say load. Once you load this, here in the field section, you can see that this particular file which you are loading, it's come and it's all the columns and everything will come here. So these many kinds of graphs you can create out of it. I will take an entire lecture on that. But today I just want to let you know that how to install it, how to launch it. So before that, you just go to this Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store, just search for Power BI, download it and launch it. So it will come up like this. Later you can save file, whatever you want to do. So let's say I have downloaded this financial. What I will do, I will show you one small chart, let's say map, because we have some countries here. So what I will do, I will add drag and drop in the country's location, and I want to say the sales as a value. So there are so many things, or the size, you can say. Okay, so bigger sales means bigger size, and drag this try. See, your graph is ready. And if you give someone this particular Power BI, this particular Power BI file, and ask him to just hover over the cursor on that, it will show them what is the country name. The bigger size means bigger sales, smaller size means smaller sales, so the size is there. And you do not need to add even lat long also, because most of the time whatever data you will get, if you put that in the location in the graph, it will automatically identify. Maybe sometimes you have to provide the lat longs as well, but most of the times you do not have to do that. Okay, now what I will do, I will go. So this is the first part, which is the location part. This is the second part, which is the format part. If you go to the format part, and this is the default color for all the things which are there. Category. So let me go to the category first. I will show you what category is and how it is working. If you just click on that, so see, all the categories came here, like United States of America, Canada, Mexico, France, and Germany, and you can give them color, whatever you want. Okay. So bubbles, this is the bubble size, how you control them. Some bigger bubbles, some smaller bubbles, whatever you want to do. You can start playing around it, because these are very simple things and you have to learn that. Okay. So here I have given size as a sale, and then I will give one more thing here, legend. So see, different kind of countries are looking at differently here. This is looking some country like some purple thing, and this. See, there are so many things to learn, but I just want to let you know that, okay, how can you give the different colors? How can you give the different numbers here? And then you can go to this particular part and try to play around with this. So first thing, so this chart is ready. You can save it and import it. You can import, or you can save it as, you can save even as a PDF file. I remember I did that once, but let us save it on the desktop by using sample graph. Okay, let me save it. So it is saved already. Now it is there on the desktop. Let me go there and open it again. So see, like instead of giving, someone the data in a format, if you give in this particular format, in the Power BI format, where the colors are showing, graphs are showing, the numbers are there, you can create bar graphs, you can create pie charts, you can create any kind of graphs, a tree map, whatever you want to do, you can do it here. So we will go through that in detail. But today my aim was just to let you know that, okay, how you can download that, on how you can start playing with that with the same sample data, or you can insert the data as well. There is option, right? In the beginning it was written get data is there. So just, this is all simple English. If you can go through that and start working on that, you can create hell lot of graphs out of it here, and these are very beautiful graphs. See, so if I want to change the, this graph view also, you can change this. I said okay, got it. Let me go there. First I will select this particular graph. I will go here and I will say map controls. In the map controls, I will say, it is saying geocoding culture as auto. If I, okay, map styles, let's say this is also a very important part. Map, I will say Arial. So it will give me the aerial view. See how beautiful it is. And you can give the, uh, you know, tooltip as well. Whatever you want, you can give. So just hover over this and see the sales is looking like this. How much it is, like 2435412.280001. So you can change that as well. If you go here, I will, don't worry, I will take an entire lecture on that. Select the sales, go here, see on the top it is written data type. You can go and say, or instead of data, say summarization. Okay, summarization is also fine. Format, basically we have to change it to the currency. Now if you have changed it to the currency, now see, when you put a cursor here, it will show you in dollars. And one more thing, there are so many decimals, right? So instead of decimals, I want only one, 0 decimals. I will say 0. Okay, so now I will get the sales like this. Unit 100,000, 1,000 lakh, lakh crore to 2 crore, 50 lakh, 29,830. You can convert it into the million and billion, whatever you want. But this is looking much better than earlier when we are presenting it into the Excel sheet. So guys, please download this, start playing around it. We will definitely have some more lectures on this. But just to showcase you how to download it, I have already told you, go to the Microsoft Store, and from there you can download this. Otherwise, you can go do it from the Google as well. But Google, this Power BI desktop, you every time when it is updated, you have to update that. So just remember this thing. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and ask your friends to go through my videos. I have created a playlist for Python. I have created a playlist for MS Excel. I've created a playlist for data. And today we have started the visualization as well. So it's really, very great series to learn everything. I'm, extracting all my experience and putting it in one place so that you all can learn from there. I hope you definitely going to like this lecture. Please subscribe and ask your friends to subscribe as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye, everyone.